Someone brought it to my attention that I did not do the last two problems on the first video, so I'm going to go ahead and do them just in case there's something that you need to know. So if we're doing f minus g, here is your f, and there's your minus, and here's your g. So f is going to go here, g is going to go there. So 2x plus 4, x squared plus 2x. So we have 2x plus 4. This negative sign is going to go to both of those, which means change the sign. So it'll be negative 1x squared minus 2x. Then we're going to add like terms. Well, there's only one x squared, so that is going to be by it negative 1x squared. That's going to be by itself. Then we have a 2x and then a minus 2x. And 2 minus 2 is 0. And since that is 0, those are going to cancel out. So you're not going to put that x spot, that x term with it. And then just the plus 4 comes down, and that's going to be the answer for that one. And then if we have f minus g, f is going to go in here, g is going to go in there. This negative is going to change that positive x to a negative x. And then these are the only two terms that are alike. So x squared comes down, and negative x and a negative x is negative 2x. And then the negative 6 comes down. And